to my channel. I am your favorite girl, A.MaRee, and today we're going to be making eggnog lip gloss for my business, AMBLavish. If you would like to purchase, you could go to www.AMBLavish.com and pick you up one today. So we're going to start off with the NoProbLlamaBeauty gel that I got off of Etsy, as well as we're going to pour in some vegetable glycerin, some LorAnn liquid coconut, and then some castor oil, and we're going to mix. So let me back up a little bit and let you guys know the NoProbLlamaBeauty gel, you guys, from Etsy is good. That is the only Versagel I purchase now. And she does have Versagel that includes oils or just straight Versagel. And she's a really affordable price. I will have every single thing used in this video down below in the description box. I don't have no affiliate links, I don't think, unless it's my Amazon storefront. But other than that, you guys go check these companies out if you would like to recreate this gloss. So I did use the TKB Trading Polyisobutene oil to give the lip gloss a high shine, and we're just mixing. Now I don't have like down to the T measurements when it comes to my lip glosses, but I know the type of lip glosses I like to wear, and I know the type of lip glosses I love to sell. So I just eyeball it. I mean, that's the best you could do, is eyeball it, unless you want to get down to the T. So we are going to use this lip liquid in Pigment White from TKB Trading. Now this is so that I could get the perfect eggnog color. I'm starting off with white, and I did realize that I'm missing the clip of the light brown powder that I use. It's a lip gloss powder from Amazon that I used in here, but I will have it linked down below. I did sprinkle a little bit in there to get the lightest brown that I could get to try to match the eggnog color. So the eggnog oil is from LorAnn's, and I found that on Amazon as well. And you guys, I hate eggnog, but I know there's some people out there that just absolutely loves eggnog. So just because I don't like it don't mean I can't cater to the audience and the people in the world. So here is leftover Wealthy from my collection. I decided to make the eggnog like an espresso type of lip gloss. So I did try it a couple of ways because I'm not an eggnog person, but I did Google to see how fancy eggnogs look through the holidays. So I was like, you know what, let me take a little bit of Wealthy and run it up the sides on a few of the bottles, not all of them. And then on some of them, I did fill it up with the eggnog lip gloss and then topped it off with the Wealthy on top to make it look like a fancy drink. I don't know, you guys let me know which one do you prefer better. The ones that are looking like an espresso or the ones that are topped like an espresso. So I did take my 60 ml syringe and put a pipette on it, and now I'm just filling up the glosses. You guys let me know what other holiday glosses would you like for me to make a video on or sell, or both, and I will get it done. And I do apologize in some of the video, majority of the video, because my camera monitor is on the left side. I couldn't really see if I was in frame or not, but y'all, I tried, and I'm trying to bring y'all more business content to let you guys see how I'm making my products to sell to you guys. So let me know if you like eggnog or not. I can already tell you I don't. And as of right now, all month long of November 2021, if you buy 2 pairs of eyelashes, you get a free pair. And if you buy 2 lip glosses, you get a free lip gloss all month long. And that's included with Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all that. The eyelash and the lip gloss that is free will be randomly chosen depending on the two that you chose. We're just gonna match them to what you chose. And yeah, it's all month long. Shipping is still the same, 3 to 7 business days. We get orders out as fast as possible, and we are still offering wholesale for you guys. So the ones that you see right now that I'm filling up are the eggnog alone, and then I'm gonna go back and top it off with Wealthy to make it like a dessert or fancy look on top. I don't know, you guys let me know. I kind of like the espresso looking ones. I like those better, I think.